Good evening, everybody. Jonathan here with C&J Family Adventures.
Hey!
And Nathan. So I'm going to show you guys what happened from our last video. As you see, we blew the belt.
Whoa, now we need to do skid marks. Now we'll be on Sweetwater Road.
That's right, we blew the belt. You can see there are just chunks there. So we're about to replace it with a new Gates belt. So let's get to it. Alright, you guys, when that belt blew, it also somehow broke the seal that goes on my CVT clutch cover. So got a new gasket, gonna replace that, put a new belt on, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to break this new belt in and get back out there and finish testing out the unlimited ECU. So let's see what's going on and what else we need to do. Alright, you guys, happy 4th of July. Jonathan here with C&J Family Off-Road. Just want to give you guys an update from the last video. Want to apologize for how long it took to post this one. We have the new Gates G-force belt on here, and for whatever reason, when I put the other side back on to start this thing back up and actually start trying to break this belt back in, I had a little bit of an issue. So for the last few weeks, I've been having issues trying to figure out why this thing will turn over, but it will not fire up. I ended up replacing the injector. I replaced the, MAF sensor. And what it turned out to be was right here. This is the auto air control valve. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it is right there. Here's the old one. This is exactly how it was when I took it out. It was pretty much stuck just like this. I'll put a comparison video of this one and the new one. But here's what it sounds like now. So we got juice. It still idles a little funny. As you can hear, it seems like it drops down and then it comes back up. Here's the revs. So it's right where it needs to be, but that's pretty much what it was. So ended up having to replace the auto control valve. I ended up replacing the MAF injector, and down here on the bottom, that was the case. I even tried putting the old ECU back in, and it was doing the exact same thing. I replaced the coil. I had another ignition wire here as well. That wasn't the issue. I was thinking it was ignition. Put another fuel filter on here, thinking that maybe it was clogged up. That wasn't the problem. That was it. Got the new belt on. We finished breaking the belt in yesterday, so we'll be getting some more riding in. Let's kind of examine to see how this unlimited ECU works. So thanks you guys for watching. Just want to give you guys a follow-up and an update to what we've been doing. And we just want to thank you guys for supporting us on the new channel when we switched over from the other channel to this one. So thank you guys. I see right now we're at 13 subscribers. There's people watching some of the older stuff that I've converted over to this one, so it's just an exciting thing. I'm just happy to be back going again after all this time of being down. So we appreciate the love, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks, and happy 4th of July. All right, ready?
Happy 4th of July.